Hello, everyone. Have you ever wondered how apps like Discord and Telegram manage to hang out in your system tray, always ready for action? Well, today we're diving into the secret sauce, creating your own system tray icon using Python. Imagine having your app accessible with just a click without cluttering your desktop. That's the power of a system tray icon. We'll break down the code step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll be able to craft your own system tray. Let's get started. Here are some examples from my computer. First, let's make sure we have all the necessary packages installed. You'll need Pystray, Pillow, and of course Tkinter, which comes with Python. You can install Pystray and Pillow using pip. Here's the complete code for our application. I'll break it down and explain each part. First, we need to import the necessary modules. We will use Pystray to create the system tray icon by using the system's native API. We used Pillow, which provides tools for opening as well as manipulating and saving various image formats for the tray icon, and Tkinter for our main application window. We also need the threading module to run the icon in a separate thread. Next, we define two functions. The toggle_window function toggles the visibility of the Tkinter window. Once called, the function will hide the window using root, withdraw or show it using root.de iconify, which also brings the window to focus. The quit_app function stops the tray icon and closes the Tkinter application. The on_closing function intercepts the window close event to hide the window instead of closing it. This is crucial for keeping our application running in the background. Next, we create the main Tkinter window, set its title and size, and bind the close event to our on_closing function. We set up a global variable to track the window's visibility. Then, we can set up the system tray icon. I will name it my_program. I will load an image from the program folder for the icon using image.open from Pillow and define a menu with two menu items, toggle window, to trigger the toggle_window function, and quit, which calls the quit_app function to exit the application. We have to run the tray icon in a separate thread to keep the main thread available for Tkinter's main loop. This ensures that both the tray icon and Tkinter window can operate simultaneously. And finally, we start Tkinter's main loop to display the window. Now, let's see this code in action. As you can see, our Tkinter window is displayed. If I close the window, it hides instead of exiting the application. The tray icon appears in the system tray, and we can use the toggle window option to show or hide the window. Selecting quit will close the application completely. And that's how you create a system tray icon for your Tkinter application using Pystray. This can be a great way to keep your application running in the background while providing easy access from the system tray. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. In future videos, I'll be exploring ways to customize and modify the appearance of the system tray menu along with other enhancements. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos.